Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how to change the language in Copilot. Now for the Windows application here, as you can see, you need of course to open first Microsoft 365 Copilot, and from there you would be able to change it. So click on settings here, click on settings from there, and then go to languages and reasons. Now when it comes to language, it really depends on your system language. So if you're changing anything here, it should be changing your system language, so your whole PC is going to change its language. So this is something to take into consideration. So it cannot be changed only for the app, unfortunately, but you should change the whole system. So your system is in English. For example, my Windows is in English, movies, TV, etc. As you can see here, it's purely English. So if I wanted, for example, the Copilot to be in Arabic, I would need to change my whole system to Arabic, which is something pretty bad. So yeah, this is the only solution for that. Otherwise, on the other hand, we could find ourselves here in the Copilot's website here, and basically for this specific website you simply have to actually change the language of your browser. So this is something pretty much easier, and let's say that is more affordable from people to do it, since changing the whole system can make you confused, you don't know what to click, etc. But changing at least the browser can make it a little bit easier. Also, you can change the language that the AI is speaking to you, so you can simply, let's say in the conversation, talk to me only in French in this conversation, and basically in this conversation it's gonna be talking to you only in French, as you can see here. That's a way of you to change the language, but yeah, you are very strict. It's very strict when it comes to language. It's really hard. I don't know why, but yeah, this is how they are doing their business. So yeah, thank you guys a lot for watching. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and leave us a beautiful comment, and see you guys in the next upcoming videos. Bye bye.